Hello friends, in this class we'll see about the construction of angles. Before going into the construction of a quadrilateral, I am taking this topic so that you may know how to construct angles of measurement 105 degrees, 120 degrees, 60 degrees and 75 degrees. Okay, so first what we do is we'll draw a straight line. Let me name it as AB. Okay, now what you can do is at any point A or B, say at A I keep my compass and I draw an arc such a way that cuts it at Q and P. Okay, so let me mark these 2 points as P and Q. So with A I have drawn an arc cutting the line AB at P and Q. Then with Q as the center, draw an arc here. This is 60 degrees, and once again with the compass at this point, let me call it as R. Okay, so at this point I keep my compass and I draw another arc cutting P at T. Okay, so mm, so what to do first at Q I kept my compass and I made an arc. This is 60 degrees. Then with R as the center I cut it once again at T. Okay, so this is 120 degrees. I hope you get it. This is 60 degrees and this is 120 degrees. Then I keep my compass at R and I make an arc over here. I keep my compass at T and I make an arc over here. All of them with the same length. So this is the perpendicular bisector which is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. I hope you understand. This was 60. I made another arc at 120. Then I kept my compass at 60 and I drew a arc here. I kept it at 120 and I drew arc here. I got it as 90 degrees. Now what I can do is measuring QR as the length, having QR as the length, I keep my compass over here and I make an arc over here. I keep it at 120 or at T and make an arc over here. So this is 105 degrees. What is it? This is 105 degrees because 90 and 120, what is the difference? It is 30 degrees. So the angle that goes between it is 105 degrees or the angle bisector. I hope you understood it. Similarly, if I keep my compass over here and draw an arc here, I keep it at 90 degrees and draw an arc here. So this is 75 degrees. So this is how I draw 75 degrees, 105 degrees, 90, and if I join this point, this will be 120 and this will be 60. I hope you understood. This is how we draw angles using the compass, not using the protractor. Okay. Now we will see how to construct a quadrilateral MIST where MI is equals to 3.5 centimeter, IS is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle M is equal to 75 degrees, I equals to 105 degrees and S is equals to 120 degrees. So we have been given three angles and two sides. Okay, this is 3.5 centimeter and this is 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 6.5 centimeter and we are given the angle. This is 75 degrees, this is 105 degrees and this is 120 degrees. Okay, so now how we will draw a quadrilateral, let us see. First, let us draw a line 3.5 centimeters, that is MI. This is 3.5 centimeter. Students, you take the scale, you measure it and then draw. Then what we can do is, we are given that angle I is equals to 105 degrees. So what we can do is, with I as the center, I can draw an arc here. Then I can keep my compass over here, cut this here and here. So this will be 60 and this will be 120. Then I'll keep my compass over here and draw an arc here. Keep my compass over here and draw an arc here. If I join this, it will be the perpendicular bisector, that is 90 degrees. Then I'll keep my compass over here, draw an arc here. I'll keep my compass over here, draw an arc here. So this is 105 degrees. Okay. Now we are given that what in this we are given that IS is equal to 6.5. This length is 6.5 meters. Okay. So what I can do is I can keep my compass over here because I am given IS. So keeping my compass over here, I can mark and I will measure 6.5 centimeter in my compass, and I will draw an arc over here. This is my yes. I hope you get it. And this length is 6.5 centimeters. So this is how I join both the points. So first I drew 105 degrees. Then with I as the center, I measured 6.5 centimeter in my compass and I cut this line at S, which is the next point. We are given that angle S is 120 degrees. So what we can do is, keeping S as the center, I can draw an arc like this. I can draw an arc, I can draw with this as the center. I can draw one arc here and draw another arc here. So this arc is 120 degrees. I hope you get it. This is 120 degrees and this angle is 120 degrees. Okay. Now what is it? It is given that one more angle. It's given that M is 75 degrees. So I keep my arc compass here. I draw an arc and I cut. Keeping it over here, I make an arc over here. Keeping it here, I make another arc over here. Okay. Then keeping the compass at both these places, I make two arcs and I draw the perpendicular bisector. Then I keep my arc here, I keep my compass here and I draw an arc here. I keep my compass here and draw an arc here. So this is between 60 and 90 is I get 75 degrees. So if I join both, that is from M to, and I join this length, I get it as, I get this, what is this point? This point is T. Okay, so MIST, this is how I construct the quadrilateral. When you use the scale, you will get the measurements more better. Thank you, friends.